Hey, what's up, everyone? Welcome back to the Lehitro Bank. My name is Adam. Today we're talking about something that honestly feels a little bit like cheating. No code plus AI automations. Like seriously, 5 years ago, you needed developers, servers, APIs, dark magic, a wizard, something. Today, you got tools that let you drag and drop your way into building your own mini robot army that works 24/7. And the best part? You don't need to write a single line of code. Not even a hello world. Nothing. So if you're someone who's like, I want to make money but I hate coding. I'm tired of doing repetitive work. I want something running even while I'm sleeping, eating, chilling. Today's video is literally built for you. Here's what we're breaking down. The best no-code AI tools and which ones you should actually use, not the hype nonsense. A real-life automation example step by step. How people are making real money selling these systems. And the actual IOI so you can see if it's worth it. And at the end, I'll talk about some risks that people never mention. Let's get into it. Alright, let's start with a toolbox. There are lots of apps out there, but honestly, you only need a handful. Let me explain them like a normal human, not like a salesperson. 1. Zapier, the connect everything to everything else tool. If the internet had a universal remote, it would be Zapier. You want Gmail to talk to Slack? Zapier can do it. HubSpot to Google Sheets? Zapier. Your calendar to your CRM? Yep. Zapier added AI that basically says, hey bro, looks like you're doing this manually. Want me to automate it? Like, yeah, Zapier, that's literally your job. 2. Make, for people who want automations that look like a subway map. Make is for you if you like visuals. It's like Zapier but on steroids. You can build conditions, data routing, filters, multi-branch logic, error handling, and it looks like one of those spiderweb conspiracy boards you see in movies, but it works. 3. Airtable, the database of people who hate databases. Think of Airtable like Excel went to college, came back with a degree, and suddenly knows how to run a business. In 2025, Airtable dropped their new Omni AI features where you literally tell it what you want. Make me a CRM. Build a lead tracker. Predict which leads might buy. And Airtable goes, sure, boss. 4. Levity, the AI that reads your email so you don't have to. Levity is amazing if you deal with invoices, PDFs, random documents, emails from customers saying, I forgot my password for the 97th time. Levity can read, classify, extract, and sort all that stuff automatically. 5. Auto Agent. Build your own mini AI employee. This one is wild. You literally describe a workflow like, hey, when someone fills this form, classify them, write an email, send it, then update my CRM. An auto agent builds a whole multi-step workflow without code. It's like hiring an employee, but they don't take vacations, don't complain, and don't forget things. 6. Emerging platform, AIAP. This one's newer but growing fast. You build entire automation systems using normal English and a visual drag-and-drop UI. If you've ever wanted to build a small SaaS, a subscription automation, a lead generation system, but you can't code, this is gold. 7. Pelterian. Build your own AI model without crying. If you ever wanted to train your own prediction model, like a churn predictor or a lead scoring AI, but don't want to go full data scientist, Pelterian lets you drag and drop your way into building actual machine learning models. Pretty crazy. Alright, enough talking. Let me show you how people actually build these automations. I'm gonna give you a real example you can literally copy. Step 1. Lead capture. You start with a simple form, type form, Google form, Airtable form, whatever. Somebody fills it out. Boom. Trigger starts. Imagine the lead says, I need help with marketing. They enter their name, email, company. Step 2. AI reads the data and behaves like a salesperson. This is where it gets fun. Your automation sends a lead info to an AI model and says, "Hey, classify this lead. Tell me if they're hot or cold. Tell me what industry they're in. Tell me how urgent they seem." AI does this instantly. No coffee breaks. Step 3. AI writes and sends a custom email. So let's say AI says, "This is a hot lead." You hit them with a personalized email, specific pain points, tailored value proposition, maybe a calendar booking link, and if they don't reply in 3 days, automatic follow-up. Step 4. Everything goes into a CRM automatically. You don't copy-paste anything. No spreadsheets. No chaos. Airtable or HubSpot gets updated with lead info, classification, conversation history, AI scoring. It's all automatic. Step 5. Feedback loop. When someone replies, AI learns from that. Over time, your system becomes smarter and smarter. It's like raising a digital child, but one that gets better at sales instead of asking for Robux. Okay, let's talk money, because that's why most people care about this stuff anyway. 1. Automation as a service, AAAS. You build automation for clients and charge $500 to $2,000 upfront, plus a monthly fee. Small businesses love this because they don't want to deal with tech. 2. Use it for your own business. If you have any kind of business, agency, coaching, e-commerce, content creation, AI automation can save you hours every week and boost sales. 3. Build microservice tools. You can turn your automation into an app. For example, an email follow-up system, an AI-based lead qualifier, a content generator, a support ticket sorter. People pay subscription fees for these. 4. Coaching courses. Once you're good at this, you can teach it. No-code automation courses are insanely high demand right now. 5. Lead flipping. This is sneaky but amazing. You build an automation that captures and qualifies leads. Then you sell those leads to businesses. Real estate, finance, fitness coaches, agencies, everyone loves leads. Let's talk real numbers so you know if this is worth your time. Costs, typical. Zapier Make Plans, $20 to $50 per month. Airtable, $20 per month. AI usage, maybe $20 to $40 depending on volume. Maintenance, minimal. Total monthly cost for most people, $100 to $200. Value, typical. Hours saved each week. Higher conversions. Systems that run forever. Ability to serve more clients. Let's say you spend $200 per month on automations. Your system generates 20 qualified leads. You close 5 leads at $500 revenue each. That's $2,500. $2,500 to $200 equals $2,300 profit. That's 11x ROI. Even if you only close 2, you still made money. I'm gonna be honest, this isn't all sunshine and rainbows. 1. AI accuracy isn't perfect. Sometimes AI will say a lead is hot, and it's one of those people who says, "I want to start a businesses," but can't even decide what to eat for dinner. 2. Tools can get expensive if they run too often. If your workflow fires off 500 times a day by accident, Zapier will send you that bill like, "Hey, we notice you're doing well. We'd like to retire early now." 3. Platforms change. One day your automation is working. Next day, OneUp updates an API and boom, your system is on vacation. 4. Data security. If you're handling customer data, follow privacy rules. Don't be the guy who stores customer emails in a Google Doc named Important Stuff. So there you go. No-code plus AI automation is one of the smartest, easiest, and honestly, most fun ways to build income streams in 2025. You can automate lead generation, emails, CRM updates, customer support, data processing, content creation, and you can turn those workflows into a business, a service, a SaaS, or passive income streams. If you enjoyed this breakdown, hit like, subscribe, and tell me in the comments, which automation are you going to build first? Thanks for hanging out with me today, and I'll see you in the next one. where we're diving into another crazy AI strategy you can use to make money.